Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. So viewers, this is DIY craft videos signing in, and I am going to share with you all a beautiful recycling craft ideas. These are very amazing and very unique denim jeans. So viewers, if you want different other craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel about recycling craft ideas. These are very unique and very stunning craft work for you guys. You make these craft work at home very easily, and you also watch DIY tutorials on YouTube and how to make these type of craft work at home. These are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. So viewers, always keep supporting my channel. Always keep watching my videos. These are the most beautiful and super amazing craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, you must watch different kind of craft work videos on my channel about different ideas like fabric craft, macrame wall hanging ideas, recycling craft ideas, and so on. You use your old jeans and recycle them with these type of craft work, and you use them as a storage things for your home. I hope so you like this video, and you must try this video. So viewers, always take care guys, always be happy. Thank you for supporting my channel guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very amazing, very unique, and very latest ideas for you guys. So viewers, follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are very amazing ideas for you guys, and I hope so you enjoyed these type of craft work. So think positive, be positive, always take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz guys.